Good morning student. Today we are going to start our next chapter, surface area and volume. First of all we will discuss some formulas of the different figures. So first figure is cube. We know very well cube is such type of figure where all the faces are square shape. So here we will discuss cube, cuboid, then we will discuss about cylinder, then cone, sphere, and afterward hemisphere. In it we will discuss about curved surface area of all the figures, total surface area and volume of the figures. So first is cube. We know that all the faces of cube is a square shape. So curved surface area of cube is 4a square, where a is the side of the square. Total surface area is 6a square and the volume of the cube is equal to a cube. And detail of these formulas you already completed in your 9th class. Cuboid is such type of figure where all the faces is rectangle shape. Curved surface area formula of cuboid 2 into length plus breadth into height. Total surface area 2 into length breadth height and height length. Volume is length multiply breadth multiply height. Cylinder. As we know that cylinder shape is this, and cylinder having 3 parts. Top is circle, bottom is also circle, and this one is your curved surface area. So curved surface area of cylinder formula 2 pi r h, where h is height of the cylinder and r is radius of the base. Total surface area of cylinder, it is curved surface area 2 pi r h, plus we will add area of the top and bottom. Top and bottom is circle, so we will add in it 2 pi r square, because circle area is pi r square, 1 pi r square for the top and 1 pi r square for the bottom. Volume of the cylinder is pi r square h, where r is radius and h is height of the cylinder. Now the next figure is cone. Cone shape is like birthday cap. The base is a circle and this one is the curved surface area. So it is h straight height of the cone. This one is known as slant height of the cone and this one is known as radius. So curved surface area of cone is pi r l. Total surface area of cone is curved surface area pi r l plus area of the base. Base is circle and circle formula is pi r square. And volume is 1/3 part of volume of cylinder, 1/3 pi r square h. Sphere. Sphere shape is like a ball. So sphere curved surface, we are not able to judge here that what is the top of the sphere and what is the bottom of the sphere. So it is not having curved surface area, total surface area, it having simple combined surface area and formula is 2 pi r 4 pi r square, and volume of the sphere is 4/3 pi r cube. Now hemisphere. When I will cut sphere from the center, then I will get which one figure like this. It is a hemisphere. It is a shape like a bowl. So here this one is curved surface area and upper side top is one circle. So curved surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. Total surface area, curved surface area plus area of the top. Top is circle, then it is pi r square, so total is 3 pi r square. So total surface area of the hemisphere is 3 pi r square and curved surface area is 2 pi r square, and volume of the hemisphere is half of the volume of sphere, so it is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Now we are going to use these formulas in our numericals.